Fan into flame. Understanding idiomatic expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idiomatic expressions. Our focus will be on the phrase, fan into flame. This expression is a gem in the English language, rich in imagery and meaning. Let's explore it together and understand how you can use it effectively in your everyday communication. Fan into flame is an idiomatic expression derived from a vivid image, using a fan to make a small fire burn brighter and hotter. In a metaphorical sense, this phrase means to encourage or stimulate something to grow or become more intense. It's often used in contexts where an idea, feeling, or situation is being intensified or encouraged to develop further. The phrase, fan into flame, has its roots in a physical action. Historically, people used handheld fans or bellows to blow air onto a fire, helping it burn more fiercely. This visual and practical origin gives the phrase its metaphorical power, as it perfectly illustrates how a small action can significantly amplify an effect. Understanding the use of fan into flame in different contexts is crucial for learners. Here are some examples. Encouraging talent. Her teacher saw her potential and fanned it into flame, encouraging her to pursue her passion for music. Intensifying situations. The debate was dying down, but his controversial remark fanned the argument into flame. Growing emotions. Their reunion after many years fanned their friendship into a deeper flame. There are other idiomatic expressions with similar meanings to fan into flame. Some of these include fuel the fire, to make a situation or emotion more intense. Stir the pot, to cause unrest or agitation in a group or situation. Add fuel to the flames, to worsen an already bad or intense situation. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the phrase, fan into flame. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this add color and depth to your language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to fan your learning into a brighter flame. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.